In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro for beginners. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to your eToro account. Once you're on the platform, enter your login details and access your dashboard. If this is your first time logging in after creating your account, take a moment to look around and get comfortable with the layout. The platform is designed to keep your main tools easy to reach, which is especially helpful when you're just starting out. After signing in, the next step is to complete your account verification. You should see an option that says, Verify your account. Go ahead and click that, then follow the prompts to finish the verification process. This step is important because it helps secure your account and may be required before you can fully use certain features, such as depositing funds or placing trades. Make sure the information you submit is accurate so the process goes as smoothly as possible. Once your account is verified, spend some time exploring the main menu. You'll usually see sections like Home, Watch List, Portfolio, Discover, and Wallet. The Home section gives you a general overview of the platform. Watch List is useful for keeping track of assets you want to monitor. Portfolio is where you'll manage your current investments. Discover helps you find new market opportunities, and Wallet is where you can view available funds and related account activity. Understanding these areas early on will make the platform much easier to use. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen to look for assets. You can search for stocks, crypto, ETFs, and other available instruments. This is one of the quickest ways to find a specific asset if you already know what you're interested in. If you're not sure what to look for yet, head over to the Discover section. This area is useful for browsing through asset categories and exploring different market opportunities. It can help you get a better sense of what's available and how the platform organizes its investment options. When you're ready, click Deposit Funds to add money to your account. Enter the amount you want to deposit and follow the instructions shown on screen. Before moving forward, it's always a good idea to double-check the amount and make sure you understand any payment details involved. After funding your account, open the Portfolio section to view and manage your investments. This is where you can track performance and keep an eye on your positions. Finally, choose an asset and place your first trade. Review the details carefully before confirming so you know exactly what you're investing in. Thanks for watching.